The app we chose to do was Storybird by Riley Bullock and Mia McClelland. The uses for this app, we chose Directed Reading Thinking Activity. This practice works on improving comprehension of students by taking a passage and asking students for predictions. With Storybird, the teacher can pick a student's book they've created and have the class read it aloud and then make predictions. This would showcase the student's work while allowing the other students to work on comprehension. For summarization, when you publish your book, it requires users to write a summary about the book they have written. According to Nancy Cecil, we want students to remember important ideas and information and create a big picture, which is stated on page 141 of the Literacy in Grades 4 through 6 textbook. For Reader's Theater with Storybird, the class can vote or have a student volunteer to have their book used to be acted out in class. For Writer's Workshop, students can collaborate and check with each other through the utilization of pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. The pros and challenges of this app. The pros of Storybird are that it's free and user-friendly, it can be used with every subject, and it can be used year-round to join the challenges presented by Storybird. The challenges of this app are that it's limited on preset pictures to insert into your stories, and it's limited on the book layouts.
So when creating a Storybird, first you're going to sign up for free, click on Student, then create a username and a password. Then click Create Account. Then what you're going to do is go to the top and click Create, and then look for a picture that you'll use as your cover page or like one that relates to what you're going to write about. So if we're going to write about bears, we could click on this image right here, and you'll scroll down and click Use This Art, and we want to make a picture book, so we're going to click on Picture Book. You can also make a poem and a long form book. So whenever you begin your book, you want to click on the cover page and then create a title. And then you can add in different pictures for each of your different slides that you're going to use. And then when you're done creating your story, you're going to click Save and then Save and Exit. And then you're going to decide whether you want to publish it privately or publicly. I chose privately, and then you're going to click Publish. And then your story is published.
So once you've created your book, as a teacher, you can also create a class code which will allow your students to create their books, and then you can look under the code and see all of their books together. So to assess the products they've made, informally, you can just kind of check comprehension by asking questions aloud in class and then see how they're doing with comprehension or summarization. For a formative assessment, you can give students a rubric or a checklist for the younger grades, what they need to include in their story, and then under your class code, you can grade all of their stories according to the criteria given.